Welcome back, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. How was your second terminal examination? Hope you all did well. Students, are you ready for today's class? Okay, let's start. Today, we are going to deal with a new unit. Students, do you know the proverb, work is worship? Yes, it is the famous proverb which means that work is truly the worship to the man because without work, man cannot survive on the earth. So, all of you take page number 103. Yes. What's the name of our fourth unit? Yes, very good. Work is worship. This unit focuses on the importance of labor and farming to lead a healthy life. It inculcates in children respect for hardworking people, especially farmers. The benefits of hard work and the virtues of agriculture are the central themes of this unit. Now, all of you take page number 105. Now, all of you read the sentence given there. Here are some pictures with dialogues. Read them carefully and answer the questions that follow. Students, do you see the cartoon given on this page? Yes, here you can see the conversation between the grasshopper and ants. So I'll read that conversation for you. All of you listen here. Hello friends, come and enjoy the summer delights. No, we must collect food for the rainy season. Why bother about rainy days? We have plenty of food now. We have no time to play. We have to finish our duties. Students, what did you understand from this conversation between grasshopper and the ants? Why do the ants work hard? Yes, the ants worked hard to collect food for the rainy season. Now, what do you think will happen during the rainy days? Yes, some of you are telling the right answer. During the rainy days, ants will use their food collected for rainy season. But the grasshopper who enjoys summer delights will suffer in rainy season without food. Students, if you happen to see the grasshopper, what advice would you give? Yes, very good. Don't be lazy. Work hard when you have good time. Work is worship. So you can give these advices to that grasshopper. Now look at the picture given here. What are these people doing? Yes, the people in the picture are doing various kinds of works. Who does the work at home? Yes, definitely mother. My next question is, are all the members of the family responsible for the work here? Yes, the picture shows a family. The father is preparing a field with spade. The mother is washing clothes and the girl is cleaning the yard. The boy is cleaning the roof with broom. So they are doing various kinds of works. Students, now all of you take page number 106. Here we are going to meet the first lesson in this unit. Work is worship. So what's the title of the lesson that we are going to deal with? Yes, the grain as big as a hen's egg. From this title, we could understand that the grain is compared to a hen's egg. Now all of you read the passage given just below the title. Hope you all read the passage. Now I'll read the passage for you. Farming is not merely an act of cultivating crops. It glorifies labor, helps to develop a concern for fellow beings, and brings about a perfection to human life. Read the story and realize the importance of farming and its impact on our life and culture. Hope you all understood this passage. Students, Who is the author of the story The Grain as Big as a Hen's Egg? Yes, Leo Tolstoy is the author of the story The Grain as Big as a Hen's Egg. Now, shall we go through the profile of the author Leo Tolstoy? Okay, let's go. Leo Tolstoy. He was born on 9 September 1828 at Yasnaya Polyana. He was a Russian novelist, short story writer, playwright, and essayist. His notable works are War and Peace, Anna Karenina, The Death of Ivan Ilyich, etc. He received nominations for the Nobel Prize in Literature and Nobel Peace Prize. He was died on 7th November 1910 at the age of 82. Students, this story is divided into 3 parts, including the discussion, the great-grandfather, and the cone. Now I'll give you a short summary of the story, The Grain as Big as a Hen's Egg. One day, a boy named Anas found a strange object in a ravine and they sold it to a passerby for a penny, who then sold it to a curiosity shop. Eventually, the object found its way to the king, and the king was very curious to know what it was. He called together his wise men, and they discovered that the object, about the size of a hen's egg, was actually a large grain. The king wanted to know where such a large grain could come from, and he had his men bring him an old peasant, hoping that he might know something of it. An old, decrepit peasant, nearly blind and unable to walk, was brought before the king. The king showed him the grain, and the peasant said that he had never seen anything like it before, but maybe his father would know something. The peasant's father was found and brought before the king. The father was apparently healthier than the son, with only one bad leg and better eyes. He, however, still could not identify the grain, but suggested that his father might know something about it. That peasant's father was found, and he was a healthy man with good legs and bright eyes. He identified the grain as one that he and his family had planted in abundance in their time. Students, hope you all understood the summary of the story. Students, we will go through the story in detail in the next class. So all of you read the story thoroughly and find out the difficult words. See you in the next class. Thank you, dear children.